In this video, I will show you how to autofill dates in Google Sheets. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To get started, what you want to do is click onto the cell in your Google Sheet where you want to enter the first date. So what I'm going to do is enter that into the cell here. So let's put April the 13th, 26. And it's important at this point to note that before you do anything that you do select the cell, come up to the top and click onto Format, hover over number on this menu that comes up. And what you want to do is come and click onto custom date and time. You can then go ahead and select your date and time formats from here. So for example, if you want it to be the day first, followed by the month and then the year, select that from here and click apply. What I'm going to do is leave mine set to month, day and year. Once you've done that, come to the bottom right hand corner of the cell until your cursor changes into this crosshair symbol. And then what you want to do is hold down your left mouse button and just simply drag this down to the amount of cells that you want to cover in this column. So if I take, for example, the first 10, I'm just going to drag down to here, let go of my mouse, and as you can see, it's going to autofill the dates in our specified format. So that is how to autofill dates in Google Sheets. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.